So these are some old boots that I have that they look like they're intact, but they're not. You know, I try my best. I know I could probably take them to the shoemaker and fix them up, but they're no longer intact. I had to put glue here that is still flipped up so it looked like it is, but see, it's not good, see? So I decided I'm gonna take them and make them into some jewelry. So here, I'm gonna cut off right here. Okay, so this is the top of the boot that I just took off. And if you see, I didn't cut this side yet. It's intact, right? Now, right here on this one, I cut it as I showed a little while ago. And this is like this. This already had a gap, so which was good. Now, all I have to do is put it right back to that slit. And it closes. Not saying everyone boots is made like this, but being that these are some old boots, I could do that. Right, so I have two options, you know, using this. I could use this just like this. See how this neck choker? This is awesome. This is so cool. I could use this and leave it just like this, and it could stand alone by itself as a neck choker. So cool. I actually like it. If I could get it to close, I'm closing it. 1 minute. So I closed it, and if you look and you see, look at that. That is so awesome. The neck choker. Right. Now, that's an option. Oh, I hit my camera. Sorry, guys. See, that's an option to leave it just like that. All right. Now, I don't want to leave it like that. I want to give it a little. I'm gonna jazz it up just a little bit, not too much, because by itself it looks really nice. And if you're into that thing, it's cute. Wear it for a night, even now. That is so awesome. So you could take some old leather boots if you have and just cut off the top of it, depending on how the boots are made, and you could turn it into a neck choker. Awesome, or whoever you want. So that's what I'm gonna do. So it is finished. It has more room for more improvement, and that's fine. But I want to show you how you can embellish it. My lining was a little off, but that's fine. It just shows how you could just align it up on the base. I wasn't able to follow my line, but I like the little pattern. You could, you know, embellish yours however you want, but this is how it came out. And I'll show you when to put it on. Time to try it on.
You know today is Johnson's birthday?
Okay, friends, so it is finished. My lining was a little off, but that's fine. So I'm going to show you guys. See, we have here, I put sequins using the glue gun as you saw in the video. You can either turn it this way or it could be turned this way, but that's only depending on your boots, how your boots is made. But see how you took something old leather boots and you turned it into a neck choker. It didn't have to be the stick, but it was so beautiful I didn't want to cut down any more trim of it. So it could use however I wanted to use. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to lock it in place with that little hook on it. This is the back. I didn't even have to make my own finding. See, I didn't even have to make my own finding. This was perfect the way it had that hook in the back what I showed you. And you could wear it this way or I could turn it up the other way as I showed you. But simple. Now for the future when I do use it, what I do find that I'm not keen on the glue gun, because I find that it comes off too quickly. But for demonstration purposes, I use the glue gun. But for further purposes, for the future, I would use the epoxy glue or E6000. Those hold much better, okay? But for now, if you want to move quickly and do something, a project, use glue gun, but it will not last. If you're a DIY individual like I am, you could take anything old and recycle it into stuff. There's many wonderful things you can do. So taking your old boots and recycling them into this. Bye bye.